Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here Gundam AEGIS from Bandai, and this is from Gundam Seed series. Okay, so to be honest, I don't like this Gundam. I don't like the design and I don't like the transformation sequence of this, but since I want to collect the Gundam Seed lines together with the Gundam Wing and the Gundam 00. So I want to collect now all the protagonist kits. So I was convinced to buy, or I forced myself to buy this Gundam AEGIS by Atrunzala. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gundam AEGIS has to offer us collectors. Fangen wir an, los geht's. Gundam AEGIS from Gundam Seed, and this is the Saft mobile suit. And in the story, this is being hijacked by the Zaft, the four Gundams, except for the Strike Gundam, the Ale Strike. So not that fan of the Seed, to be honest, but I just like collecting the kit since they are Gundams. So this is a Bandai kit. So MASTERGRADE line, Gundam Seed, and I bought it around 2,000 pesos only, since I got it super sale on Shopee. So if we open the box here, we can see the Gundam itself and the instruction manual. So this is the instruction manual. There we can see all the parts, and what I noticed is there are cross marks there, which is not included in the kit. So you'll not be able to utilize these parts because it's not, not part of the Gundam. And good thing I bought it in a cheap price. So it's not that, this is not a big deal to me anymore. Okay. So instruction manual, here we can see how this Gundam will be assembled. So it's not that hard to build, as I can assess there. For me, this is an easy kit to build, and because this is Bandai, there's no challenge compared with the Daban model. Good thing I didn't buy the Daban model, since I like an easy kit to build these days. Okay. So there, I can tell that this kit is not that complicated to build, but I don't like transforming this. Okay. There, this is transformation sequence, but who cares? I'm not fan of doing that, to be honest. Okay, so there's so many decals there to be attached. So this is the parts. So we got the first pack here. This is the think parts runner A. So we got here second pack, mostly pink. Third pack here. Fourth pack, mostly gray, and this is for the inner frame. And fifth pack again, and sixth pack here. So these are all inner frame parts. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start here with the multicolored runners, but what happened is oh no. Okay, so wait, this runners got stuck. So there's a big problem here. So I need to wait. Okay, so I removed the stock runners. So we got here runner A, multicolored runners. We got white parts, yellow parts, clear parts, and this dark blue parts. Okay, we got this pink parts here. This is runner B. Okay, so we got another pink parts, runner C, and another runner C. So we got two sets of runner C here. Then we got gray parts, runner F. And we got here this runner D, which I see that will not be utilizing this parts here, except for the hands, of course. But I will not be using these hands since I have the Dalin decal hands. Okay. But I will still keep these parts because these parts can be useful for other purposes. Okay. And there we got runner G here for inner frame parts. We got this clear yellow parts here for the spikes. We got runner I, so two sets of runner I. Then we got runner E, two sets of runner E here, this dark blue parts. And we got runner J, these are pink parts. Then we got this runner H for the inner frame parts. Another inner frame parts here, runner H. So we got two sets of inner frame parts. So the reason why we're not be using the this parts here is because the Gundam has different parts for the shoulder. So at least I can keep this up for just in case I broke some parts. Still, I got the spare for the seed lines. And we got the polycaps, this generic polycaps for the Gundam seed. And I got so many spare of this, so I might use the other spare just to keep this one here for me. Okay. And so we got this foil stickers, dry transfer decals, which is very nice, and this clear sticker sheets. To be honest, now I am I'm a fan of dry transfer decals now compared with the water slide decals. So there, thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Gundam Seed line here. So see you next time on the finished build. This Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying God bless, take care, and good night.